Good morning, students. Sai Ram. How are you all? Hope all are fine and studying at your home. Okay, children. Have you all done your English homework? Have you all written capital A to Z and small a to Z in your notebooks? Yes? Okay. So, you all are good children. Yes? Yes. So, children, now tell me which subject we all are going to study today? We are going to study subject English. Which subject we are going to study? Subject English. And in subject English, what we will learn today? We will learn small cursive alphabets A to Z. What we will learn today is small cursive alphabets A to Z. Okay, children? Yes. See, children. These are the small cursive alphabets. Okay, children, one thing I want to tell you that when we write cursive alphabets, we have to start from the third line. Okay, like we know in English notebook there are 4 lines, and in between 4 lines only we are writing the alphabets. Okay, capital alphabets we are starting from top line, means first line. Small alphabets we start from second line, and the third alphabets, means small cursive alphabets, we will start from the third line. Okay, this one, blue line. Okay, children, from which line we have to start cursive alphabets? From the third line. Okay, and when we write the alphabets, we have to not lift the pencil. Okay, we will not lift this pencil when we write small cursive alphabets. Understood? Yes. So, children, let me introduce you all the small cursive alphabets. See, this is small a, means small cursive A. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y and Z. So, these are the small cursive alphabets. Small cursive alphabets. Okay, and in the same way we will write alphabets in our English notebook. Okay, what we are going to write now? We will write small cursive alphabets A to Z in our notebook. See, children, in this way we will write small cursive alphabets in our English notebook. See, okay, now you all of you be ready for writing. All of you take out your English notebook, pencil, eraser. Okay, now we will write small cursive alphabets A to Z. See, children, can you see? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Okay? Yes. Now, children, open your notebook, pencil and eraser. Now, we will write alphabets in our notebook. Let's start. Okay, children. Okay, students. Now, we will start writing. See, in this way, we have to write small cursive alphabets A to Z in our notebook. Okay, now all of you open your English notebook page. Okay, all of you have opened your English notebook page? Yes? So now let's start writing. Okay, as you know children, first we have to write the date, then we have to write the heading, and then we will start writing alphabets A to Z. I have explained you that small cursive alphabets will start from third line, okay, and we have to not lift the pencil when we write the letter, okay. So let's start writing. Yes, come on. First we will write the date. Today's date is 18 May 2020. Okay, date we have written 18 May 2020. Now we will write the heading. Write a small cursive alphabets A to Z. So children, now we will start writing, okay. We will start from third line, okay. Okay, now we will write A. From down we will go up, then we will come down, go up, come down, and a small curve A. Now we will write B. From third line go up, come down, standing line, go up, form a small curve B. Now we will write C. From third line go up, half curve, come down C. See children, you have to not lift the pencil when you write cursive alphabets, okay. Now D. Go up, form a half curve, then go up, then come down D. Okay, now we will write E. Go up, small half curve E. F. From third line go up, come up till fourth line, again go up, again small curve F. Now G. Go up, half curve, go up, come down, touch the bottom line and go up G. Now H. From third line go up, come down, again go up till second line, come down, yes, H. Now we will write I. From third line go up, come down, put a dot I. J. From third line go to second line, come down standing line, a small half curve J. Now K. From down go up, standing line, now again go up till second line, make a half curve and a small round curve K. Now L. third line, from third line go up, come down up till third line, L. Now we will write M. From third line go up, come down, go up, come down, go up, and then again come down, M. Now we will write N. Go up, small standing line, go up, now curve and then come down, N. Now we will write O. From down, go up, form a circle and then a small curve, O. Now P. From third line, go to the top, small curve, come to the bottom line, go up and then again a small curve, P. Now we will write Q. From third line, half curve, come down, standing line, and again go up from the fourth line to third line, slanting line, Q. Now we will write R. From third line, go up, small curve, touch the third line and come down, R. Now we will write S. Third line, go up, take a curve, come down, from here touch S. Now we will write T. From third line, go up, standing line, from down to up, then up to down, T, and then a small sleeping line, yes, T, okay. Now we will write U. From down, go up, come down, again go up, U. Now we will write V. A small curve, slanting line, then go up, then a small curve, V. Now W. Small curve, come down, go up, small curve, W. We will write X. From third line, go up, make a small half curve, then again go back, go to the second line and then again a small half curve, X. Now we will write Y. From down, go up, come down, again go up, a standing line, then a small curve, Y. Now Z. From third line, small slanting line, take a half curve and Z. Okay, we have written small alphabets A to Z. First of all, we have written the date, then we have written the heading, and then we have written small cursive alphabets A to Z. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Okay children, in the same way you have to write small cursive alphabets A to Z in your notebook, and small alphabets start from the third line, and when we write the alphabets we have to not lift the pencil. Okay children. Okay students, we all have written small cursive alphabets A to Z in our English notebook, and you all have to write in the same way. Okay, and your today's homework is you have to write small cursive alphabets A to Z in your English notebook. Okay children, take the help of your parents Understood? And all have to write in good handwriting. Okay, children. Thank you. Sairam. Stay home. Stay healthy. Listen to your parents. Okay? Whatever your parents are telling, you all have to listen to your parents. Okay? Yes. Okay, children. Thank you.